Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. And to do this we will use developer option. So if you don't know how to enter developer option, you can check a video at this channel, especially for your device, and you can find how to enable it. And also you cannot do this on Apple device because there is no developer option on your iPhone. So what we will do, you just go to the settings and then you just scroll down and you need to find system, and right here we have you scroll down again, we have developer option. Now you need to find HD audio, but also you can use a search and you can write HD audio, and as you can see it used developer option, so it located in the developer option, so you just tap on it and we have it. Now by default it enabled, so to disable it you need to tap at this slider, and to enable it you need to also tap one time at this slider if the slider have empty background, and that's it. Now you can swap between this Bluetooth codecs. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.